No shoes. Wait, we're already here. Never mind. We're in the same. Wait. Bottom floor. And we're trying to get to snow. Ready? We're about to go to snow. I got stuck here. I got stuck in the doorway twice. And we're about to go get snow. And it's snowing. And it's Christmas. And it's snowing.
Go. Now we can go. Wait, it's snowing.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's barely snowing. And I don't have shoes. It's snowing though. And it's Christmas. And it's snowing. It's snowing and it's Christmas. And this is officially amazing.